Hello, I am Dr. S.J. Vishwas. I am the Associate Professor of Medicine in Bengal Homeopathic Medical College. Actually, throughout the world, we are very much panicked due to the pandemic of COVID-19. But today, I am sharing you something that throughout India, every day 78,000 mortality rate is there, and the maximum mortality due to tuberculosis, that is 4,730 each and every day, and next due to cardiac cause, that means myocardial infarction or heart attack, and next is due to the cancer or malignancy. Yesterday we tested 1,07,000 people for COVID-19, that is the RT-PCR for COVID-19, that means the real-time PCR for COVID-19, and we found only 6,000 positive patients. And yesterday, that is the day maximum number of cases positive and maximum number of recovery is there also. 2,340 recovery is also there, and mortality rate is very low, that is 124. So throughout the world, the COVID-19 mortality rate, that is 2 to 2.5%. Even in USA also, the tested and positive and the mortality rate that not cover more than 3%. So don't be panicked. It is like a very common disease like cough and cold, even influenza having the mortality rate of 15%. But the problem is there, the influenza can affect one people to one people, but COVID-19, one positive patient can affect the 27 patient. So the COVID-19 patient can spread the disease faster than the influenza, but the mortality rate is low. So throughout the world, I am giving you the message. Even last meeting of WHO, they are also sharing that COVID-19 is not going to leave us very soon. So we have to live with the COVID-19. We have to live with the coronavirus. But how we can live? We have to live with the mask. This is the very urgent message to each and every person. Use your mask. And whenever you are using mask, not even the N95 mask or anything else, only surgical mask can protect you from coronavirus. Each and every people should use the mask and use to wash your hand through any kind of soap every hour, or sanitize your hand with an alcohol sanitizer. More than 60% alcohol should be there. So this is the two thing, and don't go to any kind of crowd or anything else. Make sure that the person any person, make the distance of one hand distance. That means 1 meter distance should be there. The social distancing, use mask and use to wash your hand properly every hour. This is the 3 thing you should do, and otherwise the COVID-19 is a very common disease that is very common to human being, like a cough and cold. Don't be panic. You will be alright. If the COVID-19 is affected, if you have any kind of morbidity is there, like cancer or tuberculosis or pneumonitis or chronic asthma, this is a separate thing. Otherwise, you will be, if it is affected to you or me, we will be alright within 7 days. And the quarantine time is 14 days. After 14 days, you can go to the work or anything else. This is a very common disease. Don't be panic. We have to live with the COVID-19 and with happy. Happy living is very important. Don't be panicked. Panic is a very bad thing. Make sure you have the hand sanitizer, you have wash your hand, put your mask always, and this is the thing you have to do, but don't panic and live happy life.